Hello everybody. In today's video, हम लोग will discuss about an optional, a very famous optional called public administration, and we'll discuss how to prepare public administration for civil services examination, that is UPSC. I'm Pramod Singh. I'm director of ISH, and I have been teaching public administration from past almost 8-9 years. So let's discuss this optional and understand the nuances of these optional. Public administration एक बहुत popular optional है. And if you go historically in the period of 2000 and 2010, so it was a very scoring optional. But after a while, the score came down. But in the past few years, 3-4 years, again this optional has been a very popular in terms of its relevance and in terms of the scores that students are getting. Now let's understand that why this optional is important and how a student can prepare this optional if they start from scratch. Now, IS mains में optional आता है, but if you see the syllabus of this optional, basically tomorrow when you'll go in job as a IS officer or as a administrator or as a police officer, so whatever the job description is basically what you will study in the subject. जो भी आप पढ़ेंगे वो practically government में जाकर कल आप implement करोगे. One of the prime objective of any administrator is policy implementation. So this subject specifically focus on the policy implementation. Along with that, आज के जो present dynamics है जहाँ पे जो भी आपकी नीति निर्माण होती है यानी policy formulation जो होती है, तो यहाँ policy formulation is also an area where administrators have a huge role to play. So basically, you're going to study about that as well. So primary advantage of this option is that you can fetch high score, but you need to follow a very strategic preparation method. Now, one of the reasons why you should choose this option is that there is an interest in the subject. Pehla cheez. Secondly, the subject is easy and relevant, conceptual. It takes just 3 to 4 months to prepare, and highly convergence is high with the GS. यानी GS का जो आपका syllabus है वो public administration option से बहुत match करता है. So if you want to score high here, you have to make sure that you need to have good interest in the subject. Administration में, governance में, policy formulation में, policy implementation में, law and order, development, district administration, state administration, public administration as a subject की requirement क्या है, that we have to understand. So I'll just go through the syllabus और आपको समझ में आएगा. Now let's understand that why it is a popular optional. Multiple reasons. The first reason why it is an optional, is because it has huge convergence and overlap with the syllabus. यानी अगर आप GS paper 2 की बात करते हैं, if you talk about GS paper 3 as well, even in GS paper 1 as well, you will find that there are certain areas जो common है. GS paper 2 में almost 60-70% syllabus आपका common है. That means you don't have to study polity and governance. ये आपको पढ़ना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Which is GS paper 2. You don't have to study many things. बहुत सारे economics के concept यहाँ cover होते हैं. Which is GS paper 3. Many of the areas, for example, disaster management, internal security, ये भी areas यहाँ पे cover होते हैं. Essay is another area where you get good, advantage because every year you will find 1 or 2 topic जो public administration से जुड़े होते हैं. Similarly, you get very good practice for answer writing for general studies. So that is one big reason. Huge convergence with GS syllabus. दोनों में काफी common है. The subject is very relevant for work profile of an IS officer. यानी अगर आप reason 2 में जाते हैं, so जो भी civil servants, IS officers ground पे कल को करेंगे, वो आपका जो है इसमें पढ़ना होता है. And so it is highly contemporary and dynamic and application based. So whatever you study every day in newspaper में आप पढ़ते हो, administration में ये हो रहा है, administration में वो हो रहा है. So you can closely link with what you are studying in GS, in the general studies syllabus or in the newspapers, and you can link here. So work profile of an IS officer will be very important here, and you'll be able to implement your knowledge tomorrow when you go in the job. Okay? Interview में भी आपको practical situations में आपके question पूछे जाएंगे, and you'll be able to give good answers there. Third is the relevance or availability of material and content. A lot of material is available for the subject and you don't have to worry. Okay. And The fourth reason is it takes just 3 to 4 months to cover the subject. But one thing I want to highlight here is that this subject is conceptual. This subject is not about memorization or what fact learning आपको नहीं करना होता है. It is more about concept and understanding. And once you've understood the subject, then there's no looking back. You can score very high. I remember, when I had given my attempts, I was one of the top scorers of public administration. And that was precisely because I had good interest in the subject. So आप देख सकते हैं public administration में common subject क्या क्या पढ़ने होते हैं. You have to study state, union government, state government, local government, budget, environment, administration, law enforcement. तो ये सारे आपके areas जो है public administration में अच्छे से cover होते हैं. And remember, these are areas which are very contemporary, relevant, and every day newspaper में इसमें आपको बहुत सारा content मिलता है. So it is a multidimensional optional with a lot of relevance of what you are studying on day-to-day basis. And आपने basics अगर syllabus का पढ़ लिया, you don't have to do anything. Just converge what you are studying in the general studies and newspaper every day, current issues every day, and link it with the administration. आप उसको apply करिए और आप बहुत अच्छा score ला सकते हैं. Now let's go through the syllabi of public administration. दो पेपर होते हैं, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 जो होता है, it is public administration as a discipline. PA as a discipline. यानी public administration as a discipline क्या है? Okay, so people who are beginners, उनको पूरा historical background, how public administration as a discipline came into reality. In 1887 it started, and how public administration as a subject, as a discipline evolved. उसका evolution कैसे हुआ? वो सारा आप पढ़ोगे unit 1. And public administration जो है as a discipline, it borrows heavily from political science and business administration. So आप ये देखो, ये सारा जो है business administration या administration से जुड़े हुए topics हैं. Organizations, accountability and control. Okay, ये governance से जुड़ा हुआ है. Administrative law, comparative public administration. Okay, development administration, तो आप welfare और development यहाँ पढ़ पाएंगे. Personnel administration, public policy, a very important topic and important area. Okay, techniques of administrative improvement, financial administration, यहाँ पे आप जो budget है या government के जो public debt है, monetary and fiscal policy है, ये economics का part है GS का. So अगर ये part easily आपको समझ में आएगा. So these are the areas. This is paper 1 and this is about theory of administration. After paper 1 का आप study करने के बाद आपको subject का एक अच्छा detailed in-depth understanding develop हो जाता है. And when you go to paper 2 is application of paper 1. Paper 2 जो है वो आप ये कह सकते हैं paper 1 is theory. Paper 1 is theory for administration. And paper 2 is application of the theory into Indian administration. यानी हम जो भी हमारी public administration as a subject, as a discipline की जो understanding है उसको हम apply करते हैं. Okay, and here we start with historically right from Kautilya's to current level of union government, public sector undertaking, PSUs. Constitutional understanding भी होती है आपकी, bureaucracy and development. And remember, these are very relevant topics. Okay, union government, state government, district government, district administration, civil services का evolution कैसे हुआ, personal administration. Okay, plans and priorities, planning commission, नीति आयोग से लेके historically आप. Okay, so all these things are linked with economics and social justice. Social justice GS paper 2 का part है. Okay, so education, health, welfare, economic development. So all these are part of paper 2. So paper 2 is very much polity and governance, administration, application of the concept of paper 1. Okay, financial administration, rural development, urban development, administrative reforms, financial management. Okay, law and order. Okay, issues in in the Indian administration, disaster management. Okay, security, insurgency. ये देखिए ये आपका जो है internal security हो जाता है IAS. The disaster management जो है ये भी GS paper 3 का part है. This is also GS paper 3 internal security. So if you try to look in retrospect, whatever you have covered in GS, a lot of things are common here. So that will be very easy for you to understand public administration as a discipline and subject. Now, one more thing, apart from reading good books, how to prepare. So there are some good books, standard books, जिसकी मैं लिस्ट अभी डिस्कस करूंगा. But you need to make your subject as your own. आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग सब्जेक्ट की डिफरेंट होनी चाहिए. It should be very individual. You have to internalize the subject. आपको सब्जेक्ट को अपना बनाना होगा. And for that, after reading, you need to make small notes, handwritten notes, so that you can use it. You can also use a lot of online resources and standard books today. So, this is what you have to do. If you want to score very high, don't stick to coaching notes जो दिल्ली में या कहीं भी अवेलेबल हैं. उनको आप रेफर करके देख सकते हो. You can also refer to the toppers material कि वो लोग कैसे पढ़ते हैं. But remember, you have to develop your own strategy. You have to develop your own notes. Okay. One more thing, if you want to score high, you need to have a very good writing skill for mains examination. And same applies for optional as well. In optional also, you have to write almost 4,000 words आपको paper 1, paper 2 में दोनों में लिखने होते हैं. So you have to practice a lot in answer writing so that you understand what should be the basic structure of the answer, how do you apply things, okay? What is the content of the answer? So this is again a very important part of area. I specifically focus my students put a lot of effort in the answer writing. And if you have good subject understanding and good practice of answer writing, you can score 300 plus very easily. That is what I would suggest. आपको 320, 330 का टारगेट आप इजिली करके आप बहुत अच्छा हाई स्कोर लाके आप एक टॉप रैंक में टॉप 100 में टॉप 50 में आ सकते हो. My students have regularly cracked administration. This year Nupur Goel, she's all India rank 11. She got 320 plus marks in public administration and she scored very high. Again, as I mentioned, newspaper reading का बहुत relevance होता है. Editorials हो गया, because lot of subjects, the governance, development, welfare, social justice, उस पे आपके बहुत सारे articles आते हैं, economics पे articles आते हैं. So they will help in the factual part of administration. So you can get direct questions in UPSC public administration as optional from current issues that are going on. Okay? So newspaper reading का बहुत strong relevance होता है. So you need to आपको कुछ अलग से नहीं करना होगा. आप जो न्यूज़पेपर जो पढ़ रहे हो उसी में आप पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके. देन अगेन अ गोल्ड माइन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज सेकंड ARC, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म्स कमीशन, एंड ये 2006 में आई थी. सो ये सेकंड ARC इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू रीड. देयर आर 15 रिपोर्ट्स, बट इसमें जो इंपॉर्टेंट रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो पढ़ना होता है, एंड दे कैन हेल्प इन द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड द आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस. There are a lot of blogs and articles and websites, government, PSUs, Niti Aayog, which can be referred. आप इनको follow कर सकते हो. For example, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Environment, India's budget, PIB, Press Information Bureau, PRS for governance and development in the Indian Parliament, IDSA for defense and foreign relations. Okay, so ये important links हैं जो कि public administration में आपको help कर सकते हैं. Now coming to the books. Now, this is the most important part of the entire video. Now, let's understand the books which are relevant. What are recommended books? Remember, to start with paper 1, you need to find one basic book for public administration. And I would suggest there's one book called Public Administration, Administrative Concept and Theories by Fadia and Fadia. ये एक अच्छी किताब है to start with. But the problem is it's very bulky information based. You don't have to read every chapter here. You can just link with the syllabus and read only the important topics here. Similarly, Mohit Bhattacharya, New Horizon of Public Administration, a very important book. This should also be complemented. Okay, so ये आपके paper 1 theory में आपकी help करते हैं, very importantly. Then we have some standard international writers की book है, जैसे आपके Basics of Public Administration and Evolution of Public Administration के लिए we have book by Nicholas Henry. So पूरी book नहीं पढ़नी है, इसमें 2-3 chapters आपको follow करने हैं. Okay. Then after starting these areas, you can go with a very important book called Administrative Thinkers by Prasad and Prasad. Okay. So ये 3 book आप paper 1, Fadia and Fadia, Mohit Bhattacharya and Prasad and Prasad, ये 3 books को आप follow करके with few taking help from some other books in certain topics, like in Evolution of Administration, you can take help from Nicholas Henry. Then there are some other books also. एक शॉर्ट एंड प्रिसाइज फॉर्म में एक अरिबम की बुक है. जब आप एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हो जाती है तो फैक्चुअल समरी जो है सब कुछ एक जगह पे दी हुई है, तो अरिबम एंड में रिवीजन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकती है. ओके, सो दीज आर द बुक्स व्हिच कैन बी देयर. सो 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 अरिबम कैन आल्सो बी डन वंस योर सब्जेक्ट इज रेडी. सब्जेक्ट की जब अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हो जाती है तब आप अरिबम से आप क्विक रिवीजन कर सकते हैं. कमिंग टू पेपर 1, दीज आर द बुक्स दैट कैन बी रेफर्ड. पेपर 2 अगर आप जाते हो So in paper 2, there is a very famous book called Ramesh Arora, Rajni Goyal and Ramesh Arora. तो इसमें आपको काफी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगा. देन यहाँ पे भी एक इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बुक है बाय फाडिया एंड फाडिया, वो भी आप देख सकते हो, बट रमेश अरोरा एंड गोयल इज अ बेटर बुक. देन इग्नू के नोट्स आपको बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे, स्पेशली बीए का मटेरियल जो होता है, especially for Indian material. But for current affairs and dynamic areas, you have to follow Yojana, ARC reports, Administrative Reforms Commission, जो second मैंने discuss किया था, IIPA journals, and then there are other, reform committees report, which can be referred. For example, police reform के लिए आप report कुछ follow कर सकते हो. Okay, so there are other reforms report can be done. But IIPA journals भी बहुत relevant हो सकते हैं. But remember, you don't have to read all of them. The important one से आप factual information collect करके notes बना के उनको आप अपने answers में use कर सकते हो. So these are the basic books of public administration optional to start with. But after reading these basic material, you have to be very much updated with current issues. Newspaper की understanding, editorials, information उन topics जुड़ा हुआ जो भी newspaper में आता है, factual information, application based information has to be covered. Okay, so I hope आपको ये understanding develop हुआ है. All the students who want to go ahead with public administration, a very good optional, and God bless you. Best of luck.